Okay, for 23, we want to solve for the variable. So we want to solve for b for part A. So I have t equals an plus b, and I subtract an from both sides. So I get t minus an equals b, and when we're solving, we write what we're solving for on the left-hand side. So b equals t minus an, right? For b, this was a, right? For b, let's do b down here. Y over 3 minus a equals b, and we want to solve for y. So I can add a to both sides. Y over 3 equals a plus b, right? Add a to both sides. And then multiply both sides by 3. So y equals 3 times a plus b. And we would distribute y equals 3a plus 3b, right? We wouldn't leave that 3 factored out. For c, let's do c here. M equals y over x, and we want to solve for y. Multiply both sides by x, so mx equals y, and then write it with y on the left-hand side of the equation. And the last one, d, let me make some space. D, right, we have m equals y over x, and I want to solve for x. Whenever we want to solve for a variable that's in the denominator, we want to get it out of the denominator. So I'm going to multiply both sides by x, right, times x. So I get xm equals y, right? So xm equals y, and then we're solving for x, so I'll divide both sides by m, right, and get x equals y over m.